welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my knee length knotless braids. So I'm going to start off with just doing a simple knotless braid, and I have a lot of videos showing you guys detailed how to do a knotless braid. So I just start off the simple knotless braid, and I'm basically feeding the hair until I get it to my desired size. This size is small and knee length, so once I get my desired style by adding in the hair to create that thickness of the braid, I then braid it down as far as I can braid it to where the ends of the hair starts to like basically finish, like there's no hair left to braid. And when I get to that point, what I do is I take a piece of hair and I literally add it in, but I don't add it in evenly, if that makes sense. Like I add it in to the point where one end is really long, as you see here, and one end is really short. So I'm gonna do this again. So I'm gonna take one piece, and then you see how one end is super long and then one end is really short, like that. You add it in like that, and that gives you that really extended look. And with doing it this way, you don't have to keep adding in hair a lot. You just add the hair that way at the end to get your desired length, whether it's butt length, knee length, thigh length. I mean, people do these knotless braids, like I've seen them all the way down people's legs. So you just keep adding it in the way you saw me do it here, and then when you're done, you just knot it up. And that's really all I do. It's just extending the braid is really what this video is about. So I think you guys should just continue to watch this video and just follow along with it. I'm gonna repeat this step like about 3 or 4 more times, and I think you should just, you know, either put it on slow motion or whatever you need to do so you can catch those steps of me doing the extended look. But this video is pretty like detailed, and if you just watch and follow along, you should definitely get a hang of how to get your knee length, thigh length, or ankle length knotless braids. so now that I'm done braiding, I typically leave the ends of the braids and I dip that part. Before dipping it, I like to like brush it out and then trim it down a little bit and then dip it in hot water. I am a believer of saving time when you can, so I never braid all the way down to the ends. It's just not in my spirit to do so. I like to braid down like at least, I would say like I typically leave about 3 inches of just loose hair that I dip in hot water, and that's perfectly fine. Honestly, it gives you the same result. So when I'm done doing this, I just dip it in hot water and we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I appreciate every single one of you for supporting.